In today's video, I'll be guiding you to download Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on any PC or laptop. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to open any web browser, and then once you're here, you want to go to the search bar and type out Steam. Now once you've done that, you want to make sure to find the official website for Steam, and also make sure to click on the first link you see that says Welcome to Steam. Now you want to go to the top of your screen and make sure to click on Install Steam. So once you've installed your Steam, you now want to go ahead and follow each and every step that I do in order for this to work. So go to the search bar and type out Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Now once you've located the game, make sure to enter your date of birth, then click on view page. Now what you want to do is, in order to play it, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see add to cart, then click on it, then don't forget to click on view my cart, and then all you want to do now is click on continue to payment. Now once you've done that, you will be directed to a page to put in your basic information as well as your payment method in order to buy the game. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe.